Coniglio,
The Italian word for rabbit or bunny, can be quite difficult for English speakers to pronounce because it contains the infamous
gli,
sound.
coniglio. Da piccolo avevo un coniglio che si chiamava Yo-Yo.
When I was little, I had a rabbit called Yo-Yo. It refers not only to the living animal, but also to the meat of the animal, just as in English.
Non ho mai mangiato coniglio in vita mia.
I've never eaten rabbit in my life. In a figurative sense, coniglio on its own and the expression
Cuore di coniglio,
heart of a rabbit translate as scaredy cat or coward. Below are a few terms containing the word coniglio in Italian.
zampa di coniglio,
Rabbit's foot,
stufato di coniglio,
rabbit stew,
tana di coniglio,
rabbit hole or warren,
pelo di coniglio.
rabbit fur. Whereas in English, we differentiate between male and female rabbits using the names buck and doe, Italians use the terms
Maschio di coniglio,
male rabbit and
femmina di coniglio.
female rabbit. The word for hair, on the other hand, is
Lepre,
which I think you'll agree is much easier to pronounce than coniglio. Lepre is also a figurative term for a swift and agile person.
sei veloce come una lepre.
You're as fast as a hare. Finally, the
Coniglietto pasquale,
or
coniglietto di Pasqua,
is the Italian for Easter bunny. Coniglietto is the diminutive form of coniglio, which literally means little rabbit, and is the preferred term when talking about the Easter bunny because it conjures up a cuter, fluffier image than coniglio on its own.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.